Hey guys, I only have 30 seconds, but this is how my slime turned out. So my sister gave me hers. This is what it looks like. Then this is what mine looks like. So that's how you make slime. I did another video. Please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications in 7 seconds. Ready, set, go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you can do that, comment down below. I see W or JJ. And